So we're still on sleeves 1500. Gearbox bushes, well, the gear linkage bushes I should say. If Dave can zoom in, you can see how much movement there is on that gear stick. It's also at the bottom as well. So if I don't know how that's coming out of camera, but you can definitely see there is a lot of movement there. So these are dead easy. Again, we've had these remade. On a 1500, it's 7/16, top and bottom. I'm sure on a 13, it's slightly different. Top one's slightly bigger. But let's, again, dead easy to undo. Just make sure the ratchet is the right way around. So the original bushes were nylon, and obviously over 60 years they've disintegrated. So as Land Rover boys say, it's like stirring soup. Okay, leave that one just shy a minute. Top one again. These weren't overly tight, but we've had this off previous, so it was only put together just to so on looks of it, these are the same size on the 1500 top and bottom. Like I say, on the 13, I'm sure the top one's slightly bigger, so make sure you make a note of which one goes where. Okay.
Sleeve. Sorry, mate.
No, you're right. There we go. And that's it out. And that's where the bushes go in here. And these aren't too bad, to be fair. That one's not. Ooh. So they just ping out. But these are compressed, so they're no good.
So when you take out these bolts that hold your gear lever on, be aware of these metal sleeves which come out as well. These will sit inside each of the bushes, and then so put that. Again, these bushes we've had remade because you can't get them, so you put the metal sleeve in the bush. You may have to gently drill out the middle of those bushes because some of the metal sleeves sometimes are a bit thinner, some are a bit thicker. So once you put it in one end, put it there, other one on top. Ooh. Trying to film and do this on your own is interesting. There we go. So there you go. So the sleeves in the middle, and now they are solid, and that should do its job now, and we can put it back together and show you the results. So now we've put it back together, same way as it came apart. If you look at now, there's no movement on that gear stick at all. Yeah, perfect.